from the province, and Madam Ida from Sweden. Thank you very much for coming. And so thank you for coming also in Kampala. We were glad to have you there because you saw, and I think you can see that we are growing. Yes, we're growing. When we were in Senegal last year, we were at another level, but now we are at a higher level now. Yeah, so we are growing and growing, and I think it's very impressive to see that the Green State, the Green ideology is growing and getting rooted. Because we had a problem where we had, when we meet with our others from all over Africa, we cannot be able to meet at least every year. So we meet maybe once in 2 years. But then afterwards, we have no contact with each other. You meet once, maybe you meet in Senegal, you meet in Kampala, you don't meet again. So the spirit of having the regions makes it easier for us to be able to collaborate with each other. Because if I want to walk, like my father walked, I think, from here to Uganda. So if I want to walk, I can walk. Yes. To Uganda, I can walk to Burundi. It's true, people who have walked to Burundi. It's not a joke, and I was not joking. My father walked to Uganda. Because it was a time of crisis. We had to walk to our local those days. Yes, yeah. So if you not walk to Kenya, I can walk up to Kenya. So I'm saying it's physically possible, but we have technology now, it's much easier. I can come by bus or by plane or even by bicycle if possible. Yeah, so it is everything is possible. Yeah. So this makes it much easier for us to collaborate with each other, to support each other, to stand with each other. And you see, sometimes you see things and you read them where you think it's useful. But I want to give a very specific example. We have a friend from Zimbabwe. It's called Kishmoget. Some of you have seen him. They had a problem with the last election because they were very active. And Kishmoget had to run to find where to stay. And he was not sent to Kenya. He was in Kenya for what 4 months. And we are doing there. Dr. Pick is here as my witness. She has all the details. So it's what we are saying, it is really right. You may need to, if you have a problem in Burundi, you know that here in Rwanda you have brothers. You just come over in Rwanda, we will host you. In Uganda, if you have a problem, you're welcome. In Kenya, if those coalitions, they go from the Greens, we want to have some business space. Just come up together, we have some business space. We have very spaces there down in the general house. We will have enough time to take you there to see. We have some peaceful areas here in Rwanda. So basically, this region rising is going to make life more easier for us, but also our cooperation more easier, and policy for our government more easier. And as we said, our objective as political parties is also to make sure that political power, as you see, of recent, our presidents from Kenya, as Uhuru Kenyatta from Uganda, 27, and Rwanda, Paul Kagame, they have been more into regional projects, operation, roads and water, 6 pipeline, and so on, and South Sudan can go. So I think it's all the same spirit. They are all the same spirit. Even if Tanzania has small problem, and Burundi, I think they are still part of the family. They be back on board. Yeah, they be back on board. So we are the same spirit, and we, the Greens, must be there in the center to influence the decision-making processes. Because when you see our presidents are there sitting alone, sometimes they will say, oh, we are going to sell the whole of Lake Victoria. I know sometimes they can do that. If they have an investor who is going to give them an airport, they can sell Lake Victoria or Lake, so they can do it. So if we are there, I will tell them, no, please don't sell Lake Victoria. Don't sell this forest. I think you know that in Uganda, there was a forest which was sold off and people had to stop. So what I'm saying is, I'm not giving wild examples. I'm giving practical examples. But I guess like if the Greens in Uganda were there at that time, they would have told the president, please People need to take that to the public. Don't bother. We are here representing the interests of the people. Don't sell the forest. That was Maria Forest. Those who know. Yeah. So basically, I'm saying that once we do that, we request court state, request decisions, then we become relevant to the voters. Because when they come for voting for elections, you tell the people, we are the ones who stopped this, we are the ones who did this, we are the ones who made sure you got this. And then you need to vote for us so that next time you have power, you'll be able to do much more.